Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. The table gives information about 6 plays written by William Shakespeare. Which of the 6 plays has the greatest number of words? So we look at the column number of words, and they're all given in 10,000s. We simply look at this number, and the highest value is 3. So we can see which of the 6 plays has the greatest number of words. That is Hamlet. 2 of these 6 plays were written in the same year. Write down the name of each of these plays. So you look at the year written column, and we can see we have 1599 and 1599. This is Henry V and Julius Caesar. Okay. The play Othello has 9,329 more words in it than Macbeth. Work out the number of words in Othello. So first we have to find Macbeth, number of words. We have Macbeth, which is 17121, and we just add 9329. We can use our calculator here. We have 17121 plus 9329 gives us 26450. 26450. Write the number 21,055 in words. So we start off with this. We have 21. And then since it's in the thousands place, you write thousands. And see this space? That means we put and we simply have 55. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.